All right, 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee came in with a bad rear end, and this thing is bad. Looking around at both ends, there's no leak at either axle seal, but it does appear to be leaking fluid from the center. It apparently got so hot that it even melted that plastic shield that goes across that line there. So the first question was why, but after looking at it, it looks like a whole spool of fishing string got wrapped around and sucked into the pinion seal, and it's actually pulled the pinion seal right out of the rear axle assembly. And when the seal came out, that's why all of the fluid flew out, which caused it to overheat and ruin the rear axle assembly. And if you look around up on the ceiling, there's fragments of fishing line shredded all over, stuck into looks like little hairs all over the top of the gas tank and all the hoses and lines and whatnot. So it must have been a big spool of fishing line, and that's what ruined this rear axle assembly.